Need to pass the polygraph exam. You found the right video. Hello, I'm Sergeant George Godoy, and today we'll explore the polygraph, one of the most intimidating steps in the police hiring process. The polygraph, also known as a lie detector test, is used by law enforcement agencies to verify the information you provided during your application and background investigation. Agencies use it to confirm your honesty about your work history, drug use, criminal history, and personal conduct. Remember, consistency is everything. Whatever you put on your application is what you'll be asked about in the polygraph room. Before the test begins, the examiner will sit down with you for a pre-test interview. This is where they'll go over the questions with you in advance. Nothing is a surprise. The examiner will explain how the equipment works and give you an opportunity to clarify anything from your background. This is the time to be upfront, not during the actual test. During the exam itself, sensors are attached to your body to measure several physiological responses. These include your breathing rate, blood pressure, pulse, and skin conductivity. The examiner then asks a series of yes or no questions while the machine records your body's reactions. Some agencies, including the California Highway Patrol, use a different truthfulness test called the Computer Voice Stress Analysis, or CVSA. Instead of measuring physical responses, the CVSA analyzes microtremors in your voice that are linked to stress and deception. Whether your agency uses a polygraph or a CVSA, the preparation strategy is very similar. Here are the most important things to know going in. First, honesty is your best strategy. Examiners are trained to detect deception, but they're also trained to spot candidates who are nervous versus candidates who are lying. Those are two very different things. Second, disclose early. If there's something in your past you're worried about, disclose it during the pre-test interview rather than hoping it won't come up. Agencies are far more forgiving of past mistakes than they are of deception. Third, control your breathing. Slow, steady breathing helps keep your physiological responses calm and consistent. The polygraph is not something you should walk into unprepared. Thousands of qualified candidates fail this step every year, not because they're dishonest, but because they don't know what to expect or how to present themselves. Don't let the polygraph end your law enforcement career before it starts. Get my Mastering the Polygraph and CVSA course with in-depth video tutorials covering exactly what to expect, how to answer sensitive questions, and how to walk in confident and prepared. Click the link to get started. There's also a link in the description and in the comments